Hey guys, how's it going? Matt Dieter here. Thanks for joining me on another astrophotography adventure. So we're driving through the Mojave Desert Preserve right now in California on the way to Joshua Tree National Park. Super excited for the workshop we got planned there, and we're going to capture some cool nightscapes and deep space astrophotography with the students there. So stay tuned for a fun trip. All right, so we just got into Joshua Tree National Park. A few hours ago, we did a little bit of introduction with the students. Awesome group, and we're here doing a little bit of sunset shooting at Intersection Rock. We got a sweet group of rock climbers up there working on one of the towers there. It's pretty sweet. Beautiful blue skies too. All right, so we just got done shooting a little bit of sunset. All the students had a blast because just beautiful weather. It's like low 70s right now, cooling off. Got some rock climbers in the background over here doing their work on the face. It's just a beautiful night out. Excited to do some astrophotography in a handful of hours for that Milky Way. So finally, underneath the beautiful dark skies here in Joshua Tree National Park, all the students are set up with their tracker. We went through and made sure that they know how to set up and do polar alignment, and are running some cool tracked exposures of Rho Ophiuchus, beautiful area to the side of the Milky Way, and now we're just kind of hanging out, stargazing, and enjoying ourselves. Okay, so it's sunset, day 2 of our astrophotography workshop. Tonight, right now, we're checking out the cactus gardens for a little bit of sunset scouting. Workshop students just hanging around, waiting for sunset, but golden hour has already started, so it's just looking beautiful. Getting a little bit of hiking in, a little exercise, can't beat it. All right, well, we're just about wrapped up here at spot number 2 for our astrophotography workshop, and we'll be heading back, get some sleep. It's about 4:30. Got a lot of cool deep space astrophotography going on behind me. All the students are doing a great job learning how to polar align, going through and capturing their own deep sky shots through their own gear. It's been awesome. Another beautiful, clear night with the Milky Way. Well, can't believe it. It's already the last sunset shoot of the workshop, and then tonight we'll finalize our workshop with a little bit more of Milky Way shooting again. Beautiful blue skies here at Joshua Tree National Park. We're just hiking around Skull Rock, gonna find some cool shots of sunset here. Enjoy the last little bit out in nature, and then soak in the Milky Way later tonight. Well, can't believe it's already the last night of the workshop, but we're set up here back in Joshua Tree National Park at the Juniper Flats, having the students set up their trackers a little bit more solo tonight, so they're comfortable polar aligning and setting up the gear by themselves. And then we're going to work on deep space astrophotography. A few of the students are a little bit more interested in shooting nightscapes tonight, so we're going to let them go ahead and shoot some cool panoramas and teach them how to go ahead and edit those. But awesome, beautiful night to wrap up the workshop and enjoy the night skies here. So what are you going to shoot tonight again?
Well, Matt told me I got the Butterfly Nebula.
Butterfly Nebula.
And the North American Nebula.
Yeah. What gear is that again?
What gear? 810A Nikon with a red cap.
Yeah. What are you shooting again, Laura?
I am shooting the Butterfly.
Yeah. Lucia and Laura,
Yes.
you want to say maybe what your favorite part of the trip was?
Everything was my favorite. The instructions, the assistance, the location.
Freezing your butt off.
Just tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just tonight.
No, I think everything's been excellent. I think the most exciting thing is to see it all come together when you start processing it.
Yes.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed following us on a little behind the scenes during that Joshua Tree workshop we just wrapped up. Had such a fun time with the students and so proud of all the work that they did in growing in their astrophotography. That's the power of coming on a workshop in the field. But we're just driving back now to Vegas to make the flight and just stopping to see some of the cool dunes that are in the background in the Mojave Desert Preserve here in California. Such a beautiful landscape. It's hot, it's dry, but it's such a cool place. Thanks again, guys, and appreciate you watching the video and following along. We'll see you next time.